You are watching Bitbns News.
Today's headlines: Indian PM urges democratic countries to collaborate on cryptocurrencies. Cardano founder says Metaverse is important for crypto. BITREFILL allows Salvadorans to pay their bills in Bitcoin. Investors rush to seek tax advice on crypto investments. Fidelity will be Canada's first ever Bitcoin custodian. Solana is the most staked crypto asset by value. Time magazine partners with Galaxy to educate readers about Metaverse. Solana-based play-to-earn game Monkey Ball to launch IDO on Starlaunch. India appears to be taking a progressive stance on Bitcoin, especially given the fact that the country is attempting to reach a uniform viewpoint on the categorization and legality of this new asset class. Amid a slew of cabinet meetings, industry debriefings, and mounting banking issues, the country's prime minister has grown increasingly vocal about cryptocurrencies. At the Sydney Dialogue, Prime Minister Narendra Modi called for democratic countries to work together to get the most out of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. He also stated that they should not be used for unethical purposes. On Monday, Modi spoke about cryptocurrencies in the context of money laundering and terror financing at a high-level meeting. The overall atmosphere around the meeting suggested that strong regulatory measures were on the way, albeit of a forward-looking and progressive nature. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has shared his thoughts on a growing industry, which is the Metaverse. The Metaverse has been around for a while and has been steadily gaining popularity, especially among gamers. Its cross with the cryptoverse seemed inevitable, and it proved to be true when metaverse projects with crypto built into them began to debut into the space. The announcement of Facebook's name change has also boosted the space, when the social media giant announced that it was changing its name to Meta in anticipation of its upcoming metaverse launch. The space seems to have exploded. Metaverse-related tokens like Mana and Sand have surged astronomically. Bitcoin was made legal tender in El Salvador earlier this year on September 7, requiring all businesses to accept BTC as a payment. But even with President Nayib Bukele's mandate, many businesses have yet to adopt the needed technology to accept Bitcoin for their products and services. BITREFILL aims to help in fixing this by offering a service that allows El Salvadorians to pay over 150 different bills in BTC. The new service will allow El Salvadorans and their families abroad to pay for their rent, power, water, internet, phone, and TV bills using the Bitcoin Lightning Network as well as on-chain transactions. This gives another options to family members living abroad to help their loved one in El Salvador. Being able to skip ridiculous remittance fee and bank wires by utilizing Bitcoin. Many investors who invest or trade frequently in cryptocurrencies are rushing to their advisors to figure out the tax implications of their investments, even as the government looks to introduce a legal framework around cryptocurrencies. Investors want to know the income tax implications on their returns, which can range anywhere up to 30%, says tax experts, given the regularity vacuum around cryptocurrencies. Tax experts are divided as to whether the gains from the crypto assets must be categorized as capital gains. What is applicable on assets such as real estate or equity or business income? Fidelity has secured Canada's selection from regulators to become the country's first ever Bitcoin custodian. The move will allow the financial services firms to operate Bitcoin custody and trading in the country, geared towards institutional investors. Additionally, the move will likely open the door for more Canadian institutions to invest in crypto. Fidelity Clearing Canada unveiled a press release on Wednesday showcasing the announcement. The release quickly notes that FCC is Canada's first investment industry regulatory organization of Canada, regulated entity to offer this digital currency trading and custody solution dedicated to institutional investors, including mutual funds and exchange-traded funds. In light of the increasing adoption of the technology, many investors are resorting to crypto staking to diversify their passive income sources. In terms of the total value of crypto assets staked as of November 18, Solana is the most staked digital asset by value, with $82 billion staked on the network, corresponding to 77.37% of eligible tokens. According to staking rewards, a prominent data source for staking and crypto growth tools that currently covers 261 yield-bearing assets. Ranked second by staked value is Cardano, currently over $44 billion, 70.68% of the total value. Ethereum 2.0, Polkadot and Avalanche round out the top 5 crypto assets in terms of staked value. Time, the media company behind the nearly 100-year-old magazine, is expanding its footprint in the crypto market through a partnership with Mike Novogratz Galaxy Digital to deliver more content on the Metaverse to its readers. Time announced on Thursday that it would launch the Time 100 Companies Metaverse category, joining a family of lists produced by the firm highlighting the most influential companies and people in the world across industries. The new list, which will be commissioned by Galaxy, will feature builders in the metaverse. A corner of the market that has captured the attention of the broader public since Facebook announced that it would change its name to Meta. Star Launch has selected Monkey Ball as its first IDO courtesy of the play-to-earn game's large community, investor backing, and strong fundamentals that would cement it as a top play-to-earn game in the future. For the uninitiated, Monkey Ball previously raised a total of $3 million from several influential venture capitalists and angel investors, such as Solana Ventures, NFX, iAngels, Long Hash, CMS, Republic, Shalom McKenzie, founder of DraftKings, Yoni Asia, founder of eToro, Shahef Bar-Geffen, CEO of COTI, and Nimrod Lehavi, co-founder of Simplex, among others. Notably, the IDO sale is slated to commence from November 30, where it will offer 1% of Monkey Ball's total supply, that is, 10 million out of 1 billion MBS tokens. The price will be set at $0.04 per MBS with an implied fully diluted valuation of $40 million.